After researching various pop artist digipaks, we came to realise that there are many recurring features used in all of them. The first feature is an image of the artist on the front. This is the first selling point as the buyer needs to recognise the artist. When albums are released, the artist will promote the album to a wider audience through advertising and performing on TV shows. So by having their face on the album cover, this helps to appeal to a wider audience as the audience can recognise the artist from appearing elsewhere. Some artists, however, choose not to use an image. Instead, they will use a clear font to advertise the artist's name and album or single title. The fonts are appropriate to the genre by being bold and eye-catching and usually use colour or black. The artist's name will usually be the biggest, followed by the album title and then the production credits and track listing. All albums tend to follow the 3-colour rule. This means that the digipak as a whole will stick to 3 colours or colour schemes. For example, Jessie J's album sticks to white, black and gold. This feature catches the eye of the shopper whilst also being simple and not overloaded with clashing colours. On the back of the digipaks, a barcode is always placed next to the production company logo and product information, such as the record label website. Another image of the artist is sometimes used, although most back covers feature a follow-on from the front, for example the same background with no image. There is always a track list featured. On the spine there will be the artist name, album title, distribution number and the record label. On the CD itself there will be either an image of the artist or an image relating to the theme of the album. For example, Katy Perry's theme was candy and the CD print was made to look like a sweet. Copyright will also be featured, which is often next to the record label. A digipak is the main selling point of an album as the buyer will often see it before listening to it. This means that our digipak needs to be appropriate to our genre, and by following these typical and common conventions we will be able to achieve and create a successful digipak.